Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install streamflix on your Amazon Fire Stick. This is a very easy and quick process, so stay with me till the end and follow each step carefully. The first thing you need to do is go to the home screen of your Fire Stick and open the settings menu. Now scroll over to My Fire TV and open Developer Options. In here, make sure Apps from Unknown Sources is turned on. This allows us to install apps that are not available on the Amazon App Store. Once that's done, go back to your home screen, open the search option, and type Downloader. Select the Downloader app, install it, and then open it. Allow all permissions when prompted. Inside the Downloader app, click on the URL box and type the download link for streamflix 355 for 136, or whichever link is currently working for the streamflix APK. After entering the link, click Go. The app will start downloading. Once the download completes, the installation page will appear. Simply click Install. Wait a moment while the app installs. When it's done, click Open. And that's it. Streamflix is now successfully installed on your Fire Stick, and you can start watching all your favorite movies and shows right away. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.